Yo, people. Welcome to Lodi Lake, where we use our drones to film the geese. Out here, these geese, under the watchful eye of Drone Eye Lodi Mavic Pro, getting a drink for the night while out here on the lake. The rest of their family comes in to see what they're up to. Here on Drone Chronicles. And for the ducks that don't get to swim in a pack, we have something else for them here in Lodi. Check it out. The wonderful floating barge of duck poop in the middle of Lodi Lake. If you look up front, you can see that buoy holding it down like an anchor. And they're just hanging out there waiting for their life to end. There's a couple ducks outside saying, I'm not landing over there. I'm not gonna do it. And the ones that are on there, it's like the North Korea of duck life right here in the middle of Lodi Lake here in Lodi, California. We're going to take a little cruise over here across the lake. These guys are prospecting. These ducks here on the right, they're just like, oh yeah, out here in the middle of nowhere. This is like Duck Lake Tahoe right here, just Duck Tahoe. And then these are my two new buds. These are two guys that love to do fishing at Lodi Lake. We've been hanging out here, having a good old time. They've been telling me about this really cool, the guy in the blue hoodie, he's telling me about this really cool rice farmer up in Yuba County who does like Casey Neistat vlog style videos. But these guys are cool. There's the dude with the dog, probably looking for a place to take a dump. But here we are bringing it in for landing. And now we're coming up on what I think is the most exciting part of the video. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's right. Out here on Lodi Lake. We're flying the drone around. We're going to go around back here. This is where all the duck poop and dead fish, they kind of build up here in the warmer summer months, but here in the cooler months you can actually enjoy the pristine environment. Don't you wish you were playing horseshoes down there? See the horseshoe thing? I wish I was. Yep, we're bringing it around because we are going to do some clandestine work for the government. This is a government video. We are going to track a local wanted criminal who drives a Jeep. Oh my gosh, there he is. There he is. He just pulled out of a parking lot. He's thinking about running those people over, but he knows he's going to get prosecuted because he's under the close watchful eye of the Mavic drone. Hanging a left. Drive it over through the lake park over to Turner Road. There's Lonely Jogger. He's walking, but nobody's watching him except we are. We busted the jogger for not jogging here on Drone Eye Lodi. Don't you wish you were having a picnic on those picnic tables in the middle of a parking lot? How do you like that fast motion effect? Pretty tricky, huh? Yep. Going over the little causeway. On the left is the cesspool. On the right is Duck Lake Tahoe. Gotta slow down for these other non-joggers. The guy on the left is definitely catching up with the guy on the right. Drone Eye Lodi. Look, it's a white van parked in the street. And then there's a guy over here running with his dog and a skateboard. Upper top right of the screen. Guy's going pretty fast. Pretty crazy. Look at all that feces in the lake right there at the very end. It's like a big toilet here in Lodi. As the guy's driving his Jeep in this exciting video out to Turner Road. There's my duck friends. They're hanging out in the lake. They're like, we gotta go somewhere where there's less poop. That's what they're saying because I have drone ear vision. So yeah, man, guy's taking his Jeep out on Turner Road. There's the beautiful, romantic Lodi Lake gazebo. It's so romantic. It's about 10 feet out into the water. And if you're lucky, you won't step on dog poop or slip in dog urine. in the romantic gazebo. And remember, there's the floating duck poop barge out in the middle of the lake perpetually, and the abandoned General Mills factory in the distance, here with Lodi Drone Vision 2018. Hope you join me.